I'm not really sure why, but I think it was because I didn't feel like I was worth celebrating. The attention always made me feel uncomfortable. I was never really able to fully accept the affection and appreciation because how could I when I didn't even appreciate myself? It reminds me of this quote from Perks of Being a Wallflower. We accept the love we think we deserve. I didn't really realize how much I would relate to that quote. But, this birthday, it was different. It really was. Let me show you.
Huh?
At Bike Week, they let you test ride bikes with the supervision of an instructor, and I just wanted to point out, look how skilled this instructor is. Her bike is really tall compared to her, and being able to ride without reaching the ground on both feet is such a feat. She has all my respect.
His legs to push back into the motorcycle. He's pushing the bike back, and the tires will get traction on the flat top, and the bike will upright. There he goes. Oh, it's been a long week. Jay's a sore loser. Rob beat him. So that's what that was all about. Anyway, now that Jay's not there, watch how easily he lifts that motorcycle. No problem. And lift is really a bad word. Watch how he pushes the motorcycle. Aim it where you're from. Rob will put you in a position. All right, a little bit of encouragement from the audience. Come on. Let's hope Serena lift this bike. Come on, girl, you got it. Just push, push, push. And now show with your arms. There you go. Nice job. All right, remember, stick around. Bottom wheel. Just a minute.
This is when it gets really technical. There's no escape route. It's a wider position there in the center. So you really got to keep room as they make their maneuvers in there. All right, here we go.
I can't tell you how much going to Bike Week meant to me. Seeing everyone show off their motorcycles and seeing the girlies on their bikes genuinely made me so happy. Riding gives me such a strong sense of freedom and sense of self, and seeing so many people sharing this passion made my heart so full.
Central Park.
Wow, they're so big. Oh no!
Oh,
What? Oh wow.
Can we maybe go and talk to Papa? You're hungry, huh? Yeah.
What you got there? Okay, we've got our snackies, and he's gonna try macarons for the first time.
Our snackies that we were supposed to take home and watch a movie with. Don't forget to add that.
What do you think? Yeah?
Now they did that to girl next door because she has her bathroom is 2 feet short on the inside to be handicapped. I'm sure they looked.
Soda passion fruit juice. Bung bo eh. My favorite Viet soup. Pho.
Hello.
I love it when spots actually put in the greens.
Whoever this is for, you're a good friend.
Oh, it's for her.
Well, you know what? I get it. I usually have to plan and decorate my own birthday because nobody else does.
He planned it. I'm just here for the ride.
Okay. All right, you get some credit. Right there. Right there, but it takes 6 years. Do we get to hit the piñata?
Sorry?
Do we get to hit the piñata?
Oh my god, yes!
It's got candy in it too.
Wait, you have to punch it though. We don't have a stick. You don't want to punch it?
She wants to punch that.
I don't have anger issues either.
Is that true? I do.
You guys get an absolute A plus plus. So cool.
Did you see the pirate ship?
Yes, I did. I'm officially a pirate now.
You're officially a mermaid. You've been out here forever.
I saw dolphins out there.
Did you?
Yeah. They were flying close.
They said hi to you?
Yeah.
So all the blues. I think this blue green kind of matches. I think so too. But let's try it.
Head poking out and shit. Turtle we saw at the lake. Huh?
I was asking if you could get it.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
There we go, there we go. Oh shit, I'm paying attention to the... There we go. You got it. You gotta keep going. Keep letting the string go. Keep letting the string go. You got it. You gotta let the string go.
Hey, get over here.
Imagine I wasn't recording the whole time.
It wasn't recording.
Okay, I'm back in New York. It is pouring. I just came from the outside, so my hair is like, I didn't even notice how wet my hair got. Today was my first day back at work, and when I got to work, my friends, my sweet, sweet friends, had this bag on my desk. It was so sweet. It was for my birthday. Look, it says, "You're so great." And they know that I love sushi. And they got like a bunch of my favorite things. So they got me a bunch of breakfast foods. They got my favorite breakfast pastry from this bakery that I go to often. A pack of 6 macarons. They were Earl Grey flavored. It's one of my favorite flavors. A piece of cake from the same bakery. They also got me this juice, pineapple orange. It's my favorite juice. It's really good. You guys should try it. One of them baked me a huge loaf of sourdough bread. It's jalapeno and cheddar flavored. I cannot wait to cut it later. I'm literally gonna cut it after I film this and then devour it. My favorite sketchbook. This really, really beautiful palette. I don't know if you can kind of see it. It's pressed flowers and it's, you know, little slots for your colors here. And I've been really into like these Bob Ross tutorials that I did with my friends, and so this will come in handy. It's so beautiful. She knows that I love pressed flowers, so I feel so seen, genuinely. I love rodents. And it's my favorite little sad hammy. And then they got me stickers. This one's my favorite. Look at it. Hello, Mama. I really like your clouds. I think everybody did. It's okay. Ooh. Well, you had a whole story to it, right?
Yeah, my mountains kind of got messed up, so I pivoted to a sea monster. We got
Nice.
some water splashing over here, and my trees turned into attack helicopters. They're trying to kill us.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
The mountains look really good.
Yeah.
I like the mountains a lot.
Wow.
The acid rain, yeah.
Yeah.
I messed up on my clouds in the beginning, so I just painted over it in yellow, which is why it has like that weird background. So make sure to show your loved ones that you appreciate them this week. It doesn't have to be a big gesture. In fact, the random small ones might be the ones that mean more. Get your partner their favorite juice for breakfast. Get your friend that little trinket that reminded you of them. Life is honestly too short to not share the love. I'm grateful to have lived another year in my life, and I'm grateful to my friends and family who made me feel so seen and so loved. And I'm grateful for you for sticking around. Thank you for watching.